Here you go.
This is for me!
How was it?
It was so fun.
Are you ready to go away?
Yes. Bye, guys.
All right, here it goes.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
You like it?
On a nice slide.
How was that?
That was fun.
Look at your hair. You wait.
I don't know yet.
Let's find out.
It shouldn't take long.
There you go. Stretch that leg. Pull yourself up. There you go. Good job.
You want to get on this bridge?
Look, you
Yeah.
can cross the bridge and get
See?
up there.
I'm in a spider web.
Yeah, you're definitely a spider. That's exactly what I called it.
Exactly.
So yeah, just get your head underneath the last. There you go.
Figure yourself out of there.
Good job.
Pull yourself up.
Now see, now you can walk right across the bridge
Yep. There you go.
and right on up. And now you can do the slide again if you want. You'll have to just wait.
That was fun.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's right over
So let's do the walks.
Yeah. Now you get the bounce.
Okay. Yep, and then just come to this one. Here, come to this one and just go back and forth.
Okay.
Yeah. Step over to that one.
There you go.
Now turn around.
There you go. Sometimes, Sylvia, if you hold your hands out like this, it'll help
It might balance you, yeah. There you go. Good job.
Two more to go.
Woo!
There you go. All right. Now come on up to the top.
Okay.
All right. So what'd you think of it?
Good.
You liked it?
Yeah. Wait, can I hold it?
Well, to focus, it needs to be about 2 feet away.
Oh. Okay.
So that's why I'm trying to stay in front of you. So what do you think about it? Did you like that?
Yeah.
What was the best part of it?
The balance beam.
The balance beam. Okay, good.
That way it'll keep it going.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna be
Kind of like when you're swinging, you got to go back and forwards with your legs. Keep leaning. That way it pushes it forward. See?
There you go. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty, ain't it?
That's got a nice melody. Yeah, like a wind chime almost, ain't it?
Yeah, that's really what they are.
You'd think
If you
being
think
that
about
big,
it,
it'd
just
be like,
sideways.
boom.
Okay. I'm scared.
Oh, you're almost there.
Woo!
Chugga, 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 chugga. Chugga, 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 chugga. You're not doing it. Come on. Do the chugga, chugga. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Now you really have to do it when you get here because you're officially on the tracks here. Okay. Choo choo. Yeah, now it's your whistle. Woo woo. Gotta let everybody know train's coming. Choo choo. Chugga, 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 chugga.
Did you know you were sitting on a retired